Every year towards the beginning of November, the temperature drops, tensions are high, and I find myself battling it out with my biggest competitor, my lawn, in key issues such as climate change. See, it's convinced that global warming is here and it won't be going dormant this fall. But I got news for you, lawn. You're going down this November, and I will be standing at the podium in victory, and you will be conceding to the dark, bitter harshes of winter. My solemn promise to you folks is, if elected this November, I'll be implementing a 3-step approach to help get our lawns through the winter. My first order of business will be to clean up our streets. My lawn has been in office for 47 seasons and still hasn't taken care of the riffraff, the leaves, the trash. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you, if elected, I will take care of it. As a matter of fact, let's bring in the HRX 217 now. We're gonna clean it up. There has been lots of talk about inequality lately, and to be frank with you, I can see it. Some blades of grass stand taller than others, but I'm here to tell you that under my leadership, we will all stand at one equal height. As we enter the coldest part of the year, we will all stand with our egos trimmed down, and we will stand as one unified equal nation. My third and final promise to the American people is, if elected, I will approve one of the biggest stimulus packages that our lawns have ever seen. I will deliver fast relief to my lawn in the form of fast release nitrogen to help get us through the Ides of March so we can flourish once again. And I will make sure that you and your families have enough potassium to get you through the winter. Christmas is about to be beautiful. So with that being said, I hope everyone watching this video is gonna go out and vote. Whether you're voting for Ronald McDonald or Creepy Joe Biden, just remember, voting is a privilege. Many people around the world are unfortunate and don't have this right. So once again, remember to head out to your polls, because who knows, maybe your party's life may just be on the line. And with that, this is Princess Cut Lawn Care. God bless America.